What's up, guys? It's your boy here, and today I'm going to mess with ChatGPT, and at the end I'm going to make a Roblox Studio script with only ChatGPT. And if you guys are new to ChatGPT, the website is called OpenAI, and it's AI. If you ask anything, it will answer you, sometimes quick or sometimes slow. For example, you can ask him to do your homework, or you can ask him to do your exam. You can do anything. As you can see, I'm chatting with the AI, and I'm saying about deep walking. He doesn't know deep walking. I think it's because, I don't know, it's from 2021. I don't know why. But we're going to write how to get ranked mode in Roblox Bed Wars. Let's see if he says this. I think this is going to be so long. No, I cannot understand this. It's so long. Let's write another thing. I'm going to tell him to give me a joke. Let's see if it's funny. This is the joke. Why did the Roblox avatar cross the road to get to the other virtual world? That's not funny. It's kind of funny, but I thought he was saying, why did the chicken cross the road, like that song. So right now I asked him to give me example of Roblox Studio to see if he understands this stuff or not. And I'm going to make a Roblox game that it's called If You Jump, You Die. If you don't jump, you win the game. And I'm going to write a script and see if he puts it right or not. Here's the code. Here's writing. By the way, guys, if you guys want to see me creating a Roblox Studio game, it's on my channel. Check it out. Please subscribe and like. That will make me happy. Now the code is ready. We need to click on copy code, and we go to Roblox Studio scripts. We delete it all and paste it, and let's see if it works. You click on play, and I'm going to see if it works. I'm clicking space and it's not working. Voila, that's how I got a code. But now I'm gonna ask him to give me a code. When I jump, I die. So I'm gonna tell AI, when I jump, it puts me health 0 and die. So our code is ready, and we will do the same thing. We copy the code, then we go to Studio, we delete every code and paste it, and let's see if it works. Play, we click play. Now we're testing if it works or not. Please work, please work. Please. Oh my god, it worked. Oh my god. I'm gonna test it again. My goodness. Everything is perfect. My god. I'm gonna make something funny. That's so funny. Like the head, the man face is funny. It's on the stairs. Okay, guys, we made our game, and thank you for all the views. I appreciate it a lot, and it made me so happy. Please subscribe and like. I always say this because by now you know if you like the video or not. You can like it or do anything. Bye.